everybody. My name is Jeremy, and this is Dan Erin. Daniel, you're looking a little different today.
Yeah, you know.
Hair's a little longer. Pink is your color, though.
Well, thank you.
Well, this is Erin. She's our social media manager, but she has flipped her first house.
Ooh.
And in honor of what's coming out Friday, Ryan Gosling and Margot Robbie, Barbie is coming out.
Mm-hmm.
I will not be seeing it. Erin very much wants to see
I'll
it.
tell you all about it.
Allie wants to see it. Are you guys still going together?
I think we're going to figure something out.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe next week, but...
Well, so she flipped her first house. It's probably not what you think, but
It
what
was
do you
fun.
think?
I think I have a new hobby.
So tell us, how did you come about this house? How did you source the deal?
Well, I got the house for $5.49.
She bought this one for about 5 cents on the dollar.
Yeah. And I found it at the Goodwill. And it's also one that's still current online for like $120 something.
Yeah, that's amazing.
So
she bought this for like $5, and she could probably resell it for $100.
yeah,
Which hey, she flipped it.
yeah,
Well, you're gonna keep it, aren't you?
I think so.
I would keep it. That's a collector's item. So yeah, I mean, tell us what'd you do to the front here? I like the before pink and the after pink.
Yeah. So with all these Barbie houses, I don't know, they're kind of hideous. So the before, it was kind of faded. The back was kind of a faded pink. I don't know if they had it in a window. I don't know.
Oh yeah, the sun beat down on that, faded that paint.
And then they put these little inserts, to look like faux wood with, what do you call those?
Is that factory, or did somebody do that afterwards?
No, it's factory. That's the way I
Gotcha.
looked it up, and that's the way it looked online. And it's just little cardboard printouts of where it looks like there's more to it.
It's so much more modern.
Yeah.
On the right side over here.
And I just thought that was ugly. So.
You took the flowers out.
Yeah, I took all the cardboard. The whole thing comes apart because when you buy it, you have to assemble it.
Oh really?
So it was real easy. It's just like door hinges. You pull out a pin and the parts come apart. So I took out all the inserts and then I covered them with scrapbook paper. And this scrapbook paper looks like little white bricks.
Oh really?
So on the after,
I was wondering what that was.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
it seriously looks more modern. That's hilarious.
yeah, and we wrapped the back with this sparkly hot pink. It's like car wrap material that we had, and so we wrapped the back. And
you are so ready for a granddaughter.
Probably so.
You
And
can just babysit my upcoming one and play
there we
with this.
go. There we go. And then we added a little bar.
Oh.
Because Barbie's more sophisticated these days. And she likes to have her friends over, so we use these little pallet things that I found at the Dollar Tree.
Who's we?
Me and my daughter.
Okay. I was
She's
wondering,
20
is it
though.
Dale doing this?
No. And so we
Gonna have
made.
to have a word with him.
No, he's could care less about the Barbie stuff. So we add a little bar in the back instead of that cardboard cutout, and in the front, we just took out the.
Were those sunscreens that you pulled out?
No, there's actually nothing. It's just open space.
Oh, I would say you added value to this house 100%.
Yeah, I hope so. I went in each room and
I
added
didn't even know
flooring.
this part
Yeah,
was there.
I added flooring, and it's like a marble-looking flooring,
That's
and a table, and
Wow. You need to get this featured in like a Barbie magazine or something.
and then
Nice.
we redid the sink and stove area because it was hot pink. Barbie's about her pink, but she doesn't want it everywhere.
Wow.
And then we added some lights in the living room.
So this is the before and after. Nice.
Yeah, before and after.
I didn't realize it even had the inside
Yeah,
part.
sorry
of it.
about that.
No, you're good.
And then like these little support beams here, they weren't really support beams. We could move them.
Yeah.
So I did away with those
Oh,
to
open
open
concept.
up the space.
I
And that's the inside of the bar because she can just pass drinks through the window.
Where did you get all the tiny little tables and chairs?
The Dollar Tree.
Genius.
And then I painted it.
Erin is very, very economical.
Yeah. I didn't like it. It was ugly. It was pink. And so I painted it, and I rhinestoned the table out. And then this is a bathroom
Wow.
upstairs. We didn't like the little squatty potty.
That looks 1,000 times better.
And so we found one at the Dollar Tree.
Oh my God.
And I blinged out the top of the toilet.
That literally looks like a bathroom that on a house
yeah.
that Daniel and I would buy.
And we didn't like the inserts, so I covered them in those little white brick paper.
Wow.
And covered the baby blue flooring with marble.
I'm sold.
And it came without a bathtub because it was used. Barbie didn't take a bath, I guess. So we found one at the Dollar Tree. I mean, that's where you go.
That is amazing
to get these. And then we blinged out her closet, and we added a disco ball and some fluffy carpet.
Nice.
And
this would be like a fun school project. Teaching about that economic concept. Flip a Barbie house.
Flip a Barbie house. And then, the bedroom, I didn't like the way they did the bed. It's like molded into the floor.
Yeah.
And so I just painted it and then added some felt squares to make like a bedding. And put some wallpaper up.
Looks like a hat and a purse that you would have. Does it not?
Yeah. I just happened to have
you might
some
actually have a hat like that.
Doll size hats. Yeah. And so that's another view. Fluffy rug. And then the top had this little deck.
Like a little layout.
Yeah, it was like a little peak. And then it flips out, and then the little umbrella flips up. The only thing we did here, because the roof was in mint condition, is that we added the fringe.
Nice.
And we didn't have to do anything to the AC unit because it's a whole open concept, and it's they're in Malibu, so they got the
you don't even need
beach,
AC out there.
Right there, and all the
that is awesome.
breeze. So that's
you guys really did a good job.
That's it.
That's the end of it.
Yeah.
Nice. What are we listing?
I don't know.
That's awesome. Well, going back and looking, Erin, what are your parting words of wisdom on house flipping?
Well,
what can you give as somebody who has seen us do so many videos? You finally flipped your own home. What words of wisdom can you leave us with?
Cosmetic.
Daniela.
Daniela. It needs cosmetic. I mean, there's a lot of little things you can do that don't cost a lot of money.
Well, I appreciate you guys. If anyone is still watching and bearing through. No, I'm just kidding. Thank you for participating. We wanted to switch it up a little bit, and Erin is very passionate about Barbie, so we Barbie and Dolly Parton, pretty much same person.
She's the backwoods Barbie.
Yeah, I could see that. Well, we appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, do whatever. We appreciate the support, and we will be back with another video next week. After Colson will be next week, so that's gonna look good. All right, thanks everybody.
Bye.